got wheelie bars on the back. Yeah, they got a 630.
COPD. Hey, what aisle are we going in?
This one.
All right.
That's why. That's a Copo Camaro.
Oh, I thought it's
Copo.
Oh, I thought it was COPD.
No, that's a Copo Camaro. It's a touch-and-go Camaro.
I'm like COPD, isn't that a disease?
As you go east, the next town.
What the hell's a Copo?
It's another one of those companies that make specialty versions of it.
Yeah. Well, aren't we going down each aisle twice? Like we're going down one side or not?
Oh, kind of just looking at both as we go down the aisle. Oh, dude, you had never heard that you did that here. We'd be here for 8 hours.
Oops, excuse me, sorry. Speaking of that, how long are you planning on staying?
We're usually here about 4 to 5 hours.
Okay.
Depending on everything, depending on how quickly we get through everything.
Lying. I wish I wouldn't have brought this sweater.
Oh, you should probably shouldn't wear anything underneath this. If you just got a hoodie or something, yeah, you're fine.
Look. He's got a subwoofer for his damn steering wheel. I wonder if it actually works.
Some people up.
You know what I mean? Is it hooked up?
Yeah, it's got a cable.
Oh my god, dude.
Yeah, I know.
No way.
See the amps in the back?
I don't need to.
Try to make a hard left. Buddy.
There.
Yeah.
That's ridiculous.
Put on Chief Keef and try to make a hard left. Wow, look at this.
Oh my god. That's a Buick Century. That thing is not
an Oldsmobile.
It says Century on it. No, that's a Buick Century.
Is it really?
Yeah.
It's the same body style as the Oldsmobile.
Wow, I do not even remember the Buick Century looking anything.
Yeah,
like
me
that.
neither.
I had an 85.
There's your car.
Old Monty.
No, they're nice. I always like the Monty SS's, especially that color.
Yeah, but you can't get it with the 305.
That was a nice paint scheme in there. No,
Yeah.
you have to have the 350.
You gotta have the 350, man. You got the 305, you ain't got shit.
Wow, he's got that thing clean too.
Yeah, they need to turn on the air in this motherfucker.
I thought it was getting warm in here.
It is getting warm.
That's why I left my coat.
Could be
Yeah, that
weird.
probably don't help.
Did you get a buzz at all?
Yeah, I did.
Dude, I got a buzz from this, dude. Not bad.
You got that Modelo. That's straight from Mexico.
Is it really?
Old F100. Yeah, that's a stock
Here you
motor,
go,
right?
Ken. Here you go, Ken. Is that too overpriced for you?
Coyote.
Is that a Coyote?
Yes, it is.
You put a Coyote in there.
That is a Coyote. I see too many shows, so I've gotten used to knowing what they look like.
Here's Ken's favorite, BMW. Overpriced. Oh man, that's nice. Yeah, look at that. Ooh.
Oh, Chevelle.
Wow, look at that.
Well, that's a Shelby kit car.
Oh wow.
It's a replica of the 454 replica.
That there, that's one of the very few of them that there is around.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Dude, I love Chevelles, man. Oh my god. 572.
I know.
What's that? Is that the 454?
No, that's bigger than a 570. That's bigger than the 454. the LS6 that's in there.
Oh, wow, dude, that's insane. Well, this is so cool, man. Thanks for inviting me.
Man, you probably got that thing out of a Cracker Jack box.
See, you see your tires up front? You got some pizza cutters up there, man.
Man, that is freaking beautiful.
I know you got this out of a comic book, man. It was right next to the sea monkeys.
Tell me. Tell me.
Man.
Oh my. Oh, it's a 570.
There's a NOS setup.
Wow, he's got NOS in that thing too.
He's got nitrous on it? Oh, shit. Let's take it for a rip.
That is awesome, man.
Let me just get a quarter throttle, dude. That's what I want is a quarter.
Having more regrets about yours now? My old one.
I had one of those when I was younger.
One of these?
The Deuce of Hearts. Look at that. I love when they put like the history of the car.
Yeah. Dude, your YouTube channel's gonna blow up tomorrow.
Maybe.
All right,